You know they say a hit dog hollers. Yo, check this shit out.
They'll shoot us tomorrow. Kill us like every week now. They'll shoot us tomorrow. Kill us like every week now. This life is like a battle, accumulating scars. This life is like a battle, a battle, a battle.
Roadblocks in the way now. No knock grenade rounds when the whole block is sprayed down. But some more cops who hate ground with my hands up and get laid down. If I stand up, I get banged down. But white hoods on it, they ride, get it, inspired, feel it, bring it pain round. It's the same sound of my dad heard as his dreams flew like a blackbird who got shot down.
They show hollering, y'all. They're making death threats. Yo, my Facebook is blowing up. Anyway, if y'all want to grab this hat or this mug or this shirt right here, just go to criticalracethreads.com. And shout out to the racists for blowing my page up and giving me so many orders. I really appreciate it.
Goddamn, captured revolution with this last word. Shit, I'm on my last nerves, but that's third. Up in the projects, we that skirts. These cops are some bastards. They shoot us like Ku Klux. Spray niggas faster than Usain Bolt.